Welcome to Furnace Repair South Beaverton, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right Now Heating and Cooling is the best choice when you're in search of reliable HVAC contractors in your local area. Our experienced team offers services for both residential and commercial properties. We have more than 25 years experience in the HVAC business and are able to handle any of your toughest HVAC issues. Our experienced HVAC contractors and technicians are highly proficient in all aspects of heating and cooling business and deliver exceptional service that includes outstanding results, outstanding customer service and affordable pricing. Our team is proud of keeping up to date with technologies and codes in order to keep your home and family healthy. Whatever the complexity or big the task, we love doing what we do. This shows in the high quality work we do. Our HVAC contractors can handle all kinds of heating and cooling projects, from maintenance calls to major central installation of cooling and heating systems. Only trained technicians from factories are employed. They're the best and most reliable technicians in the business. Your work is done right every time. With Right Now Heating and Cooling, we anticipate to continue our partnership long after the new equipment is installed or repaired. Our ongoing service is designed to ensure your unit operates optimally without disrupting breakdowns. We provide a wide range of services such as furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, as well as many other services. Our approach has always been straightforward, and that is to provide a competitive price by using highly skilled HVAC technicians with no hidden fees, backed by a 100% guarantee on the quality of work. For any heating and cooling repair or installation services in your home or company or business, our HVAC technicians are here to help you. We offer several pricing options as well as guaranteed workmanship. We provide weekend and emergency service along with warranties on all parts and labor. Visit us on our website or call us at 503-300-6124.